So let's have a look at how to change the status of a job. A status is an indicator of where you are in the job. Have you arrived? Have you started working? Is the job on hold? Have you had to order parts? Is the job completed? That type of thing. So as you can see, we're looking at the dashboard, which we've seen in previous videos. And at the top of the list is job number 106, sample job for training purposes. And we've looked at this job in previous videos as well. But we're going to go into that job, and at the bottom of the screen, you will see that there is a change status option. So I'm going to click on that, and it will bring me up a list of the statuses that are available for me to choose. Now, I want to emphasize here that the majority of these statuses are user definable. So your company will determine which statuses are important for each type of job or each type of work that you're doing. So since this particular job is already marked ready to start, we're going to say, in fact, that we have started, and we're going to go ahead and select in progress. And now the status is being changed. I'm going to click update status. The job status has been changed successfully. And if you look in the middle of the screen where it says details, next to that is associated, and next to that is status. If we click on status, you'll see the status history. It was first updated to ready to start. Now it's updated to in progress. Thank you much for your attention, and further videos will follow. Thanks.